What you see here is a 36-inch Hampton Bay San Marino. Brushed steel finish, paired with a set of rosewood blades. Rounded tip, they are reversible to black on the other side. Fan is manufactured by PowerMax back in December of 2008. Likely hit the store shelves sometime spring 2009. So if you may recall, a couple years ago, I featured a video of two of these newer models from a couple years ago. They were both brand new in the box, and one of them was dead for some reason. Right out of the box, it just didn't work. Tried everything imaginable to try to get it to work. Nothing I could do changed anything, so I've kind of been on the hunt for another one to use as a parts donor ever since, and that's where this one comes into play. So I picked this one up off Marketplace, paid $5 for it, and the best thing about it is it was literally located on the next street over to me, so I didn't really have to go far at all to get it. So perfect combination. So like I said, this is going to be a parts donor fan to fix up my brand new one. I haven't really done anything with this. I just threw it up here for documentation purposes, and now take it down and of course harvest it for parts. As you can see, I didn't even clean it at all, just gave it a quick wipe down. The fan was used in the kitchen, but like I said, it's fairly dirty. As you can see, the fan is flush mount. And right there is the information tag there on the top. Being from 2008, it does have the Hampton Bay logo there on the side. And on the bottom, we got the Hampton Bay oval pole fobs. The two new in the box ones that I have were, like I said, much newer, as they lack the old school Hampton Bay logos. They have the new Hampton Bay script on the pole chain fobs. All right, let's go ahead and dig in. Show you the light. These bulbs are actually what came with the fan. Like I said, I didn't do anything besides just throw it up here. Not really a big fan of those 5000K bulbs, but they work. So let's go ahead and jump in and start it up. So as you can see, it has a bit of audible hum to it here on low. Like I said, these fans, not really the best quality fan. You know, they're cool looking, but like I said, they've been on the more of the lackluster end of the spectrum in terms of quality. So fairly fast low speed, which is normal for these. Throwing off a subtle breeze. Go up to medium. And high. High speed, we're cruising at around 230 RPM. Motor inside this fan, I believe, is a 153 by 12, somewhere in that ballpark. The blade pitch on this fan is 18 degrees. So these move some pretty decent air. So not the most powerful 36-inch fan out there, but like I said in my original video, they actually do move more air than a 36-inch original. So, very quiet, bearings are still in good shape. No bearing noise. Turn the light back on here. So I've always liked these fans. These also came in a oil rub bronze finish as well. And that's all I got. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 36-inch brushed steel Hampton Bay San Marino from 2008. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.